What's up, guys? It's your boy Dad Hat back at it again with some new Metazoo action for y'all. Happy Thanksgiving coming up, y'all. Happy, I don't know, holidays? Yeah, all the holidays. What's up? Happy, celebrate them, whatever. Well, I have a very special video today because I just got a package from Streamy Weenie. Streamy Weenie, he is a guy who's very active in the Discord. He's awesome, very generous guy. He sent me some stuff for our first annual Metazoo card drive. We're calling it Deck the Halls because we're making Metazoo decks for kids in children's hospitals. We're going to teach them how to play. So yeah, should be fun. Look at all this stuff that he sent. Look at this. Pretty cool, right? That's just wilderness tokens. Look at all this stuff that he sent. There's some more tokens. There's some Nightfall. There we go. Boom. 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 Ran out of room. Boom. Boom. Like, that's a lot of stuff. He sent a lot of stuff over here. So we're going to go through it, see what all he gave us. I haven't even opened this stuff yet. Just the stuff that's like this. So we have a whole stack of Nightfall tokens. Those are very important. A whole stack of Wilderness tokens. This is just Nightfall bronze. Like, legit, this is just bronze cards from Nightfall. Nightfall has some great playable cards. Let's see what else we got. Can I go in order? Yeah, here we go. Alright, I'm going to try and keep it all in order. So this is the Nightfall bronze. I'm not even going to open it yet because there's so much to get through. You guys, look at this. Full of cards here. He has it so organized. Like, these are all Nightfall auras. So we got our water, lightning, frost, forest, spirit, cosmic, light, flame, one of my personal favorite auras, earth, and dark. All Nightfall, all nice and organized, individually packaged. Then this, Nightfall Terras, a whole stack of them. We got a giant stack. Let's see if I can pull them out without even. No, I'm not gonna mess them up. Okay, so I believe these are all gold, and these are all silver. So many. Let's just go through them, see what we got. We got Headless Horseman, of course. Oh my god, he sent us 1, 2, 3 Mothmen. Streamy, that's too generous. He sent 3 Mothmen for the kids. Guys, all these cards are being donated to the children. 2 Adam Acklers. The Frank Shaw's Gargoyle, those are great. Got some Momos, Wood Devils, Jack Frost, Bell Witch, Red Ghost, Oklahoma Octopus, Divine Covenant, Prison Beam, Righteous Reckoning, Born from the Earths. Those are great cards. Abduction, Boil Overs, Alaskan Vortexes, Lightning Split, River of Time, like literally everything, Hell's Gate, a little bit of everything in here. I am just blown away by how this is crazy. It's totally crazy, guys. And that's just Nightfall. That's one box. We have 4 more boxes to get through. Let's try and keep all this organized. There we go. Yeah, that's just the Nightfall. There's so much more. I don't even know where to set it all. There we go. Alright, next. Let's do some Wilderness. Wilderness and Wilderness. We have 2 boxes full of Wilderness. One is just bronze. The other is gold and silver. So let's go through it. In the bronze box, oh man, so organized. So we have the auras again. The auras, all organized, nice and neat. That's fantastic. And then this is something that we really needed. That we're going to include a rule book with each of the decks that we make. So these are great. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10 rule books right here. Like, that's great. And then all of these, a full box, guys, a full box of bronze Wilderness cards. Ooh, I see some Ready the Defenders, some Jeering Rocks, Pearl of Desire, Title pull, that's a good one. Ah, some Billy Whack. Love Billy Whack. That's good stuff. Next box. I'm running out of space on this side. You're just gonna have to deal with it. There we go. Boom. This is the gold and silver box. See what goodies are in here. So I think this is more auras. More auras, y'all. Fantastic. And then the gold and silver. Let's check out some of these golds. Guys, the golds are the rares in Metazoo. The silvers are the commons, or are the uncommons, and the bronze are the commons. So that's how it all works. But let's just see what we got here. A lot of chibi Bigfoots. Oh, there we go. Some Cumberland Dragons. Those are great. Jackalopes. A couple Rose Robinsons. Golden Bears. Those are fantastic. Ooh, the Atmospheric Jellyfish. Iowa Dragon. Another one of my favorites. Woolly Mammoth. That's a good one. Yo, are these all gold? Yeah. Hateful Demise out the wazoo. Like, look at all these Hateful Demises. So many. Those are great. Some Fountain of Youths, Token Sitters, some Sigils. Guys, these are now reserve list. And he still gave them to the kids. That's awesome. Starlight Sigil, Kindling Spark Root. Oh yeah. Good stuff. And then these are all the silvers in here. Guys, we're going to be able to make so many decks from these. I don't even know how many cards come in each one of these boxes, but we have 10 books there. So that's at least 10 spell books that we're able to make. The amount of cards, I mean, we're able to make so many. Our goal is 500. 500 decks to hand out to the kids. So let's move on to UFO. Send us some UFO. 2 boxes of UFO. Streamy, you are fantastic. You're amazing. Don't let anybody tell you any different. Let's jump in. We have UFO tokens. Nice little box there. And this is Wilderness Terra. Is that Wilderness? Yeah, it's Wilderness Terra. Fantastic. I mean, so many bronze from UFO. What a fun set. This is one of my favorites from the set. The Breakfast Aliens. I like the fourth wall effect. If you bought breakfast between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. today, this page costs 1 less or at a contract. Alright, so that would make it free. It would make it a free drop if you ordered breakfast. Alright, last box. Last box here, UFO gold and silver from Streamy Weenie. Let's see what we got. We have more rule books. Let's go. UFO auras, all nice and organized. Guys, this makes it so much easier for us to process whenever we get them like this. Like, that's going to be great. We've got not 1, but 2 UFO aura bricks. So those are great. We have, is this UFO Terras? Yep, UFO Terras. Awesome. And then the UFO gold and silver right here. So we're just going to pull out some of the golds and see what we got. Daggone, dude. So many Men in Blacks. Like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Men in Blacks. That's crazy. So generous. Some Agua, whatever. Supernatural Black Hole. Really? Bro. That's so generous. Oh my god. Dragon's Rise. You have multiple of those. Evil Winds. So many of those. Forest Friends. Underplayed, but a great card. Infinite Powers. And more of the Artifact Essences. And Terra Orbs. That's crazy. Even the Magic Engineer's Oil. Yo. Streamy Weenie. You're the GOAT. Thank you so much for sending all this. Guys, if you would like to donate to the cause, to Deck the Halls, we are going to be putting these decks together until the end of the year. We're going to be handing them out in January. A lot of these kids, they get overrun in the month of December, which is great, right? So much kindness, so much love, but we want to show them that we love them even outside of December, outside of the holidays. So in January, we are going to be going to a couple of these hospitals, one here in Richmond, one down in Virginia Beach, to hand out these decks. They have 350 beds in these 2 hospitals, and we want to make 500 decks. So we want to have so many decks that we send them off to other casters across the U.S. to be able to hand them out to their local children's hospital. I know we already have interest from Caster Society down in Austin, Texas. So if we have extras, we're definitely going to send them their way. And if anybody else wants to help out, I'll have the picture somewhere here that shows all the information. Definitely reach out to me on Discord, Dad Hat on Discord. If you're in any of the Metazoo Discord, then I'm probably in it. So definitely find me, send me a message, send me a DM, say, hey, I want to help out. I want to help build decks. I want to donate cards. I want to help pass them out and teach kids how to play. Just yeah, let me know. We're going to make this happen. This has been great so far. Streamy Weenie, the first package to come in, and did not disappoint. Like, I am so thankful, Streamy, for this. Thank you so much. It means a lot. So thanks, guys. I'll catch y'all later, all right? Peace.